How to upload Google Docs on Google Drive. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and as you do that, launch the Google Drive application on your device. Here, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, simply tap on this plus icon at the right side of the screen. Here you can see the option of Google Docs over here if you want to upload it. So simply tap on Google Docs, and as you do that, it will land us directly to the Google Docs application on your device as well. So all you need to do over here on Google Docs is simply you have to enter the doc, or you just have to select the Google Doc over here, and then you can simply tap on the check mark at the top right corner of the screen, and it will start saving. And then you can simply upload it by tapping on three dotted lines, or you can simply go back, tap on the cross mark, and you can simply launch by tapping on the plus icon. So one of the ways is to tap on Google Docs and simply upload the document, or next is a tap on upload option, and as a tap on upload you'll be able to see different options. So let's select on the hamburger icon and then tap on the option of documents. Here select on downloads or any of the option, and then simply tap on the docs over here, and as we do that, we'll be able to upload the Google Docs on the Google Drive. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.